Hey guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video, and this time, as you can see, we have the OnePlus NORD. Look at the packaging. It's quite different from the other OnePlus boxes that you usually get for its phones. They're big, they're large, and in fact quite long. But this one is compact and it's done differently as well. There's a nice blue and black color as part of the packaging. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So here we have the user manual. This is the phone. This way, NORD as is written on the packaging. Yes. This is how the phone looks like. The display is quite bright. Of course, the touchpad is pretty smooth and very quick. The buttons, the power button and of course the volume buttons at this side. This is the power button, and of course if you want to put this on silent or you want it on ringer, these all are within the reach of your fingers. And look at this, how it fits in my palm. It's pretty snugly fit. Look at the back. In fact, it's a cool blue color. Really different from what OnePlus has usually done with its phones. Most of them usually come in dark tones, but this one is a really nice soothing powder blue. What else do you get in the box? Then of course there's a charger as well, the USB cable, and let me show you. This is the warp charger. Meanwhile, let's see what's in this box. So you get some, of course this is a welcome letter from NORD, and of course you get a phone cover as well, which is really great, so you don't have to go and hunt for a cover or you have to order a cover separately for yourself. And of course some booklets in here, some from OnePlus. Look at the packaging. It's really nicely done. It's slick and very edgy looking packaging. And there's a quick start guide, safety information guide, then you have a membership card as well that you've been given. Let's first go through the quick start guide. Guys, before you actually use your phone, it's very important that you quickly dive straight into the details that are given in this quick start guide. So it tells you all about how to use your phone. If you've never used a OnePlus model, this will actually help you how to use your phone. You must go through these two guides, the quick start guide and the safety information guide. So this is all that you get as part of the OnePlus packaging. And yes, of course, there is a SIM card ejector pin as well that's given in here. So this is all that you get as part of the OnePlus unboxing.